Good afternoon, viewers. We have been able to listen to the first series, and in that first series, we have been able to see the meaning of communication. As well, we have been able to see how we communicate in the olden days, as well as how we communicate in today's society, that is the modern day of communication. We have as well been able to look at the importance of communication. In this series, we shall be looking at the meaning of mass communication, the importance of mass communication. We are going to be looking at information and communication technology, as well we will look at the advantages and the disadvantages. Now, what is mass communication? Mass communication simply means the process of sending information to a large number of people in many places at the same time by means of broadcasting machines and newspapers. You know, we need to ensure that the whole world get to know about what is happening around us, and by so doing, the only way we can achieve this is through mass communication. And by that, we need to make use of the advantages and the development of science and technology for us to be able to get everybody together, because the world is a global village. As the world is a global village, so we need to pass information to different people at different places at the same time, and that's the reason for mass communication. Now, what are the importance of mass communication? It creates job opportunity for some people. For example, those that work with media houses, those that read out news, those newscasters, those journalists. It is through mass communication that they are able to get job. And today, we have a lot of journalists here and there. We have a lot of newscasters here and there working in different broadcasting institutions, be it government or private. We also have, it also enable a large number of people to get information at the same time. Maybe you are in Abuja, you are in Lagos, you are in Kaduna, you are in Port Harcourt. You get information at the same time through newspaper, through listening to radio and what have you. It is suitable for mass advertisement. Maybe you have a business that you want people to get to know about. Through mass communication, you can advertise your goods for people in Nigeria, for people overseas, anywhere, so people can get to know about what you do. It is good for enlightening people about government and social issues. It is through mass communication that people get to know what's happening in the corridor of power, that what is the development, what is taking place here and there. So all these are the importance of mass communication. Now let us look at information communication technology, which we refer to ICT. What is the meaning of ICT? ICT simply means system sending, processing and management of information by means of computer and electronic devices like the GSM, internet facilities and so on and so forth. Information technology is very very necessary, because without technology, people everywhere will not be able to get to know about what is happening around us. And that is why we say it is a system of sending, processing and management of information by means of computer and electronic devices like the GSM, internet facility and so on and so forth. Now, what are the advantages of ICT? It saves time in processing and sending of messages. It assists worldwide advertisement of products. It is a source of entertainment. It creates job opportunity for some people. It enables people to have information on various disciplines and issues. When we talk of discipline, we are talking about, for example, maybe you want to study abroad and you are looking for a way of getting scholarship. It is through this information technology that you are able to access through online to know which of the country, which of the institutions can provide what you desire. E serve as a modern educational device. We learn, we process our work with the use of computer and what have you. So all these are the advantages of ICT. Now let us see disadvantages of ICT. Some people use it for illegal and criminal purposes. You see, in our country today, so many people are funny that they take advantage of some things that are supposed to benefit everybody, so they can use it illegally for criminal purposes. So this is one of the disadvantages. It causes redundancy in business establishment, lead to loss of job. You see, some people, instead of them to work, they prefer to do some funny things, and they will not take advantage of what they are supposed to do. Instead, it makes them to be redundant, to be useless. It is used for displaying immoral acts like violence, pornography, because it entertains and what have you. So if not regulated, people, citizens, students, learners, they abuse it. They begin to watch what they are not supposed to watch. Some people use it to send wrong information. These are the danger of ICT. But you agree with me that the importance of ICT is more relevant to us in the society, and we should take note that using ICT is for our own advantage and for development of things in our country. We should not abuse it. With this, I want to believe that we have a better understanding of what communication is all about. Thank you, and stay tuned as you listen to